Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Install the Microsoft Access Database engine that matches your office business, because ODB requires consistent architecture. Once done, install Node, JS or Python and make a project folder so your code stays organized. Next, initialize the project, npm init or Python venv, then install an ODB client library, such as ODB for Node or pyodb for Python. These steps create the runtime and driver pieces you need before making a connection. Next, configure the ODB layer. Open the correct ODB data sources app and add a user or system DSN that points to your ACDB or MDB file. Test it to confirm access. Then, in your project, build a connection string that references either the DSN or the driver and file path directly. Once connected in code, run a simple select query to enumerate table names. Make sure to handle asynchronous calls or cursors correctly, so you can iterate rows without blocking the app. Finally, open the ODB connection, execute your SQL, and always close or dispose the connection to avoid locks. Use parameterized queries for safety, commit transactions when writing, and fetch results incrementally if large. If something goes wrong, check the most common culprit first. Bitness mismatch between access drivers and your runtime. Install the correct access database engine redistributable and restart. Also verify file permissions and confirm no other process has the database exclusively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.